Hi, my name is Paul Hackett. I am an ambassador for Kowa and mainly from the digiscoping point of view, but I'm also an avid birder and a bit of a twitcher. Kowa have brought out this amazing new lightweight compact scope, the 55mm, and we have them in the angled version and we have them in the straight version. I prefer this for taking pictures. Most birders will prefer this. 55mm objective, pull out lens with a marker on top, a 17-40 zoom and a dual focus. And with this now, we've actually incorporated the super wide angled eyepiece that's still on the actual 88mm and 99mm. And the biggest jump in improvement is we've made this eyepiece nearly 50% better field of view than the original 55 that came out a year or two ago. So great light, and also it's got the ED glass in there. Combine that with the fluorite lens in the objective lens up there. Image quality is second to none. Absolutely stunning piece of kit. And for me, sometimes people will wonder, why do I need another scope? I think people who go abroad sometimes will struggle, especially with the airlines, to take a large scope on. This can actually go in your pocket, literally as easy as that. So for me, an absolutely excellent piece of kit. Lightweight, easy to go on holiday with, and it just really is something to behold. The quality, very, very little CA, probably the best in the business. And for my money, having looked at most of the 55mm scopes on the market recently, this is probably the king of them, if we're talking realistic terms. Ergonomically, I really enjoy this scope. It's very handy to use, very lightweight, and it's based on now, this little gem complements the range of PROMINAR scopes that obviously have the ED in the glass in the zoom and the fluorite in the objective lens, which makes this probably one of the best scopes on the market for the lowest form of CA, chromatic aberration, or colour fringing as we know it in the trade. An absolutely superb piece of kit.